Hi guys, hello. Tout pour ne pas étudier en fait. Ouais, I slept the whole day, like je dormi toute la journée. Et là il fait 2h42 et j'ai pas sommeil. Donc j'ai révisé un peu, hein, tu vois, tout pour ne pas étudier. Et j'aimerais faire ce qu'on appelle Congolese tag, un tag congolais que je n'ai jamais fait. Ok, je l'ai fait seulement parce que je galère en fait. C'est 10 questions. Et la première question c'est Last time you were in Congo. Donc, la dernière fois que tu as été au Congo, pour moi, c'est en 2008, quand on est venu pour la Suède, pour habiter en Suède. Donc, 2008. Et si c'est pas cette année, je crois rentrer l'année prochaine. Donc, il faut être au lia. Tu vois, tout est la question est. La deuxième question c'est Were you born in Congo? Huh. Yes, honey, I'm not European, I'm African, true Congolese. I came to Sweden when I was 12 years old. Donc, je suis arrivée quand j'avais 12 ans. What part of Congo are you from? Actually, I'm from Kinshasa, Shinakin. Na hopital Delvaux, na colline Bandal, na mona Bandal Longwa. Donc, Bandal, c'est Paris, ouais. J'habite à Lubumbashi aussi. Donc, je suis un peu de partout, vous voyez. Mais ce qui est important, c'est que je suis congolaise. Ouais. 3. Do you speak your language? Parles-tu ta langue? Say some words in your language. Dis quelques mots dans ta langue. Oui, je parle lingala. Donc, pour nga soit congolais, oloba ni lingala ni swahili. Donc, on a barré, non, je présente. Non, c'est juste que, ouais, je parle lingala. Et malgré c'est un peu si idéalisé, mais j'en parle. Dis quelque chose, dis quelques mots. Na matama minene. Mipike bayibisa nga ngoma na ndima na ngate. Mettons na mi fume siku na matama minene. Vi na ngai. Tanke na olingaka kolia, ata mizaka minene. Okay. 4th question. Do you like Congolese food? What is your favorite? En français, aimes-tu la nourriture congolaise? Et quel est ta favori? Je sais pas. Like or love? I love Congolese food. Guys, te bolingo na nango mpona biloko en général eza indécriviable. Nayebi te soki mwana eza na français, mais bolingo na nango mpona biloko. You guys have no idea, and you are telling me about Congolese food. Are you kidding me? Like, I can die for Congolese food. Tabana kwanga. Loso mafuta mbila. Dikulu. Loso mafuta mbila. Pundu. Uitona mafuta mbila na kati. Sikuba usopi na usko na loso. Na likabu tuna tomso na tomato tomso na okaninga. You guys don't know. You guys just don't know. Okay, next question. What I like the most about Congolese people. Et ce que j'aime de plus avec le Congolais, chez les Congolais en fait. Chez les Congolais, ce que moi j'adore chez les Congolais, c'est notre façon de profiter de la vie en fait. Always when you meet a Congolese people, you guys don't need to know each other. You just connect because you guys have the love for the music, have the love for the dance, and I really love how we Congolese people manage that. Like we can be happy through everything we are going through in our country, and I really adore that. You guys know there's war in the east part of Congo, and when you travel to Kinshasa, like you won't believe that Congo is one of the poorest countries in the world. Like we dance, like you would see people like s'appeler comme Jaja, you know, et c'est vraiment quelque chose que j'adore chez les Congolais. Et il y a beaucoup plus, mais c'est ce que moi j'aime. Donc, cette façon-là de profiter de la vie, en tout cas, moi j'adore. Hate the most about Congolese people. Ce que je n'aime pas chez les Congolais. Et bien sûr, this question is like it can take me like 1 hour to answer it because there are many things that I personally think that we should change. But you know, Congolese is a country, of course. Congo, excuse me, Congo is a country, absolutely. But we are so many different ethnies, like so many different people. On est tellement différents que ce qui peut être bien donc normal chez les Bas-Congo n'est peut-être pas normal chez les Baluba, mais on a des choses en commun. Mais pourquoi je dis cela? Parce que il y a des trucs que d'autres personnes peuvent trouver normal et d'autres personnes qui ne trouvent pas normal. Donc, waouh. Mais ce que je dirais à propos de notre culture, c'est que je n'aime pas, c'est la façon dont on a mis la diversité. Je sais pas, I don't know. French. I am in France actually, guys, so I'm trying to learn French. I'm not in Sweden, I'm in one. C'est pour cela que je galère en Suède, j'ai des amis, of course. I have friends here too, mais ouais, pour ne pas vaguer. Ouais, on a mis ça comme une diversité. Il y a beaucoup de choses à faire. Donc, la vie n'est pas seulement la sable, la vie n'est pas seulement tapage and stuff. Life is about more, and we Congolese people actually we have made the diversity like our lifestyle, and I hate that. I hate that actually. I hate that, and I pray every day that we guys that I say we because I'm a Congolese, but I hope that we change that. Next question. What is my Congolese name? What does it mean? Quel est mon nom congolais et qu'est-ce que ça signifie? We Congolese, we are not like Nigerian. You know, like Shioma, Chinedu, something like that. We have like normal names, like European names. Like my name is Julia. It's my grandma, imagine. It's my grandma's name. Yeah, and what does Julia mean? It means that Julia needs a Romeo. I'm kidding, guys. I'm kidding. Yeah, I don't know what that does mean. Yeah, my name is Julia Malombo. Malombo means a big tree, actually. Yeah, it's Kisoko, and my maiden name, like we have nom, post-nom, prénom. Mon prénom c'est Julia, mon post-nom c'est Aloma et mon nom c'est Malombo. Yeah, like name, last name. Post-nom in English, Bundanango. Yeah, next question. What makes you different from other Congolese? What makes me different? What makes me different from other Congolese is that always to me, I think that everyone should do them, like do you, because when you were born, you are still unique. Like you are unique. That's it. Like there's no other Julia like me. There's not a copy. There's not someone else who can be Julia. Like there's only one Julia, and like doing what you like the best, like reading and go to school, like dance, laugh. I think you should just do you, and that will absolutely make you different from other Congolese. And not having like, I think, to be honest, you know how Congolese have made the diversity as their main life. I'm not like that. Like life is about more. So I would say that's the only thing I think I do different. Next question is favorite Congolese artist. Wow, this is the easiest one. Like Madilu. I don't know if you guys know him. Okay, I'm I'm an oldie. I'm an oldie. There's Marilu and Papa Charles Mumbaya and Papa Alamoloto. Those three actually, yeah. And Madilu, he died 2008, and I were in Congo. Guys, I cried like it was a family. No, because I was raised with his songs, and I love the message. Like me, music, sure, like music should be about like having fun, jumping, dancing, whatever. But I think that music should be more than just dancing. I think music should be more about like preaching. Non, non, mais comment j'allais dire ça? Je crois la musique, pour moi, ça doit être euh, donc euh, transmettre des messages, vous voyez? Et les anciennes chansons congolaises, elles transmettaient de messages profonds, and that's why I love Madilu. And my favorite song, wait guys, I pray for you, like love it, Mario, Lale. Actually, that was my favorite song. Like, oof, Mario. Like, do things my kwanza thing. Don't beat me. Like, you should find a job. Yeah. And Papa Lemoloto, he's dead too. Um, he sang gospel music, and I'm a gospel lover. Like, oof, I live for gospel. And Papa Charlie Mumbaya, he was so funny, so funny. Like he did gospel music with YOLO, like yeah, he was singing gospel music, but in the same time, yeah, like people dancing, like dancing like YOLO, and I loved him for that. And yeah, and his one of his favorite songs is one of my favorite songs of him is Allo, 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 téléphone. Et où t'es allé? Okay, guys, my voice is fucked up. As I told you, I'm cold, like je tousse un peu, donc j'ai mal à la gorge, je peux pas chanter. Et la dernière question, quelle est la question que t'aimes pas qu'on me pose? Worst question about my country. Quelle est la question que t'aimes pas qu'on te pose à propos de ton pays? Quand je suis arrivée en Suède, ouais, après avoir 6 mois de langue, parce qu'en Suède on parle le suédois, après 6 mois d'apprentissage, ok, whatever. Après 6 mois, koyekola monoko, yeah. I started in like Swedish, like the former system, like Swedish class. And the question I got, guys, oh my god, I remember like if I were still in Congo, like I would still fight people every day. I remember one friend of mine, Frida, she asked me like, do you have like schools in Africa? Africa, do you have school in Africa? I was like, honey, do you have son in Europe? Like I'm thinking like when I get on my map, I would give it to you like that. Like whether you like it or not, okay, we are growing and I'm trying to change that. And she told me, what do you mean? I was like, what do you mean? Like, if we do have school in Africa? And I didn't know. I was like, honey, you better go and like do some research than sounding uh, so stupid. And she was like, oh my god, yeah. Like, do you have school in Africa, honey? Africa is a continent, and um, do you like? Do you guys have clothes? Do you have houses? I remember like when I came, like people were so stupid. Like in the Scandinavia, there are not so many black people. I understand. Okay, I would say that I understand, but in the same time, I don't want to understand that they haven't had people like black people around them, and I was the only black girl in the class. Like not in the class, in the school, like the only black so bembe if you try to see you. And yeah, so I had a lot of questions that just oof, made me so mad. J'avais tellement de questions qui m'énervaient. Mais vous vous approchez, vous commencez à parler, tu leur montres ta culture et tout. Et il y a beaucoup de chansons qui connaissent la chanson Amour éternel. Donc, Gospel Lover, as I told you. And I hope, guys, you like this video. Actually, I don't know what got me. I deleted all my videos on YouTube. Why? Because I don't know, sometimes I just wake up like, why do I do those things? But I'm back, honey. Juju is back. And yeah, absolutely share this video with your friend. And I got this question from my girl. Sorry, I don't remember her name, but she's a Congolese too. She's in YouTube. I can write her name down. I really like her videos. I really love her videos. Her name is Nicity, and I really love her videos. Like, she's the one who celle qui m'a donné l'intérêt ou interested me to do this Congolese tag, because she said that there are not so many Congolese tag comparing to Nigerian and Ghanaian. Yeah. That's why I did it in my computer camera. As I told you guys, I'm in Rouen for 6 months, and yeah, I'm here to apprendre mieux le français, because I knew French when I was in Congo, but when I traveled to Sweden, I started to learn Swedish, and the French started to disappear. Even with my Lingala, Lingala est baby. Donc, Lingala suédoisé, quoi. Ah ouais. Ouais, c'était ça. Je vais parler de tout et de n'importe quoi. Donc, pour ne pas vaguer, je vous dis au revoir. Merci beaucoup pour ceux qui vont regarder cette vidéo, et j'espère que you guys will like it.